yeah, don't mind my hands either. I have this tanning lotion that's like literally like a body lotion. And I forgot to wash my hands directly after I applied it yesterday, so that's what that is. Hey you guys, what's going on? It is me, Summer. I am back for another video, but this time it's not just a random video thrown together with a whole bunch of different clips. It is actually me. I'm actually sitting down at my vanity and I'm ready to finally film a dang video. There's been a couple clips in my first 3 videos that I have up right now that I do a little bit of makeup in 2 of them, I believe. So here I am. This is my first one, sitting down doing a look. This look is actually the look I'm going to be doing today. It's very easy, very simple. It is only one color underneath the eye in the lash line. Yeah, so hopefully this will be the first of many makeup tutorials. I don't know why I felt like I wanted this to be the first video I filmed, so let's do it. I'm not swiping it in, I'm more so pressing and buffing it in. It is a lot, I know. Up and set. You see how smoother this looks? This powder is awesome. And then everywhere where I put my concealer, I'm going to set with this powder.
We had time.
To use Safe Word from the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. It's just this very nice shade right here. I'm just going to pick up, well, not 2 brushes. Just going to lightly dip into this and put something flat. I'm going to use an envelope right now because it is the only thing And I line it from like the tip of my ear to my cheek basic, or the side of my mouth. Because I don't want that harsh line to show up too heavily. Okay, because you see how you can kind of see that line, it kind of came down a little bit too far and it looks kind of muddy. That's what we don't want. But just blend it out with a nice big fluffy brush. And with the power of editing, I'm gonna go from no brows to brows on. I was honestly just playing with makeup at my vanity yesterday, and this is what I came up with. It wasn't anything too special, it was just blue eyeshadow under my eye. Okay, and taking a mixture of the color Safe Word, which is what we contoured with on our cheeks, and then the color Courtney from the Beauty Killer palette, kind of defining our crease. I'm just adding a little bit of a shadow in there. I'm going to use the Blue Blood palette, and I'm going to take Blue Monday, which is this shade right here. So what is this? This is a 246 Precision Crease Brush. And I'm just creating like a deeper inner corner to make it look like my eye's a little bit wider than what it should. I'm going to use the tip of the brush, just kind of feather it out and create that blue wing. Sorry, for some reason the camera died, and I honestly don't know how much you guys haven't seen, so I'm just putting the blue under my eye and I'm just leaving a little gap in the inner corner, just so like it can open up my eye a little bit. It looks like shit right now. I know. I know this isn't for everybody, but I don't always do blue under my eye. I just do random colors. Like one day it'll be pink, one day it'll be green, one day it'll be red. Like, you never know. Yellow, orange, like it's always changing the way I do like the undercolor in the under part of my eye, so it could change from day to day. Good. Add some blush, which is my favorite blush right now, which is MAC Melba. This is like my second one in like a year. Well, maybe not a year, but like 2 years. Yeah, kind of lied about that one. Okay, so I zoomed you guys out a little bit. Lashes. And what lashes I've been using a lot lately are the Bellamy Twitch lashes. So I'm just going to use those ones again. And plus they were the lashes that I used originally yesterday for the blue look. That one dry. Get the other one ready. So I put the glue on both lashes at the same time. Like one right after the other. Just so the other one can have time. So the first one that I originally did can have time to get dry and a little bit sticky. Up, put my finger under my lash, and then I look down. From there. Here's the mystery frost from the Halloween mystery box. So
we've been invited to the Swedish North by
nose, Cupid's bow,
to be Joe
and my ears.
company. We may be
Gel.
takes with surprisingly heavy furniture.
Okay, and then last, well, one of the last few things is lips.
Which
So,
and I am just looking at it.
one second. Gotta find a sharpener. Who dat? What I'm going in with for my lip liner is MAC Electra. And then to lock it all in place for the night, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. I'm actually going to add a little bit more of the lip liner. I don't think I have anything else to tell you guys except bye. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell to get notification every time I post a new video. So bye guys, take care, happy new year, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.